In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, save, and share ClickUp templates from the Template Center. First, let's make sure we're on the same page about what templates are. In ClickUp, a template is essentially a reusable model of work. Think of it as a copy you can apply anywhere in your workspace to save time and keep your processes consistent. Templates can be built from spaces, folders, lists, tasks, docs, or even views. Whenever you create one, it's stored in the Template Center, which is the shared library for your entire workspace. To open the Template Center, click the Templates icon in ClickUp or use the search bar at the top and type Templates. Inside the Template Center, click your workspace name in the top left to filter down to just your custom templates, which makes it easier to find what you've created. Next, decide what you want to save as a template. You can save an entire space, including its folders, lists, tasks, custom fields, statuses, and click apps. Or you can turn a specific folder, list, task, doc, or view into a template. In this walkthrough, we'll save a space so the whole structure stays reusable. Hover over the space you want. Click the ellipsis menu, choose Templates, and then Save as Template. When the pop-up appears, give your template a clear, descriptive name. Optionally, add a short description that explains when to use it and how it's structured. You can also add tags to help you organize and filter templates later. Now, set who can use the template. In the Share With section, choose whether it's private to you, visible to everyone, including guests, available to all workspace members, limited to admins, or shared with specific people. If you want to share the template outside your workspace, you can enable public sharing. Once it's saved, ClickUp generates a shareable template link. Copy that link and share it in your team's chat, email, or any internal documentation tool. Anyone with access can paste the link into their own ClickUp workspace and apply the template. Before finalizing, review the import options. Deselect items you don't want to carry over every time, like comments, attachments, assignees, or watchers. Keeping these turned off helps avoid clutter and keeps each new instance clean. When everything looks good, click Save. Your template now lives in the Template Center under the Workspace category. Anyone with access can open the Template Center, find it, click Use Template, and choose exactly where to create it. As a best practice, template your repeatable workflows, keep names and fields clear and reusable, and revisit templates periodically as your processes evolve. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.